Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to replace a thermistor. And the first thing you want to do, of course, is take all the shelves out. You don't have to take the bottom section out, but I did anyway because I just cleaned this refrigerator. So you take out, this is a model 650 and it's a 2001 manufacturing date. Lift this up. There's a pin on this side and a pin on that side, and they fit into these slots there on the bottom. So when you put it back in. So here's your thermistor. This is your evaporator thermistor. This is your cabinet thermistor. We're going to replace the evaporator thermistor. So let me get one and then we'll come back. Okay, this is the thermistor for this model. It's a 420 4150. Comes with these little heat shrink connections. However, I'm going to use, here it is in here, there's one in here. Looks like there might be one missing out of here. I don't use these anyway. I'm going to cut this, splice this in, and then use wire nuts. Okay, we got, let's see, we're right here. Doesn't matter which wire you connect to which. This is an in and out. This is the trickiest part because these screws, Sub-Zero uses stainless steel screws and they're not magnetic, so you have to kind of figure out how to get it in there. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now you want to put the cover back on. Line it up with those pins like that. And that's it. That's easy peasy. That was the evaporator thermistor, and the cabinet, of course, is attached to the cabinet. And the same thing in the freezer. You have one that attaches to the freezer and one to the freezer wall. So that concludes this video on how to replace a thermistor on a Sub-Zero 600 series.